So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to download recordings on Zoom. So for that, first of all, you guys will need to open your Zoom desktop application, and then you guys will need to join a meeting, or even you can start your own meeting by selecting this button right here. Now guys, as you can see, I have entered in a meeting. Now just select these three dot option right here, and you can see this record on this computer option right here. Now just select it, and you can choose if you want audio in your recording or not. So after selecting one of these options, I'll go with this one, and now your recording has been started, and you can see right here. So guys, after finishing with your recording, you guys will need to select this option right here. Now just select it. So guys, as you can see, I've ended my recording, and after leaving from this meeting, I can get my recording in the MP4 format. So now guys, let me just end this meeting. Now wait for a few minutes. So guys, after just a few seconds, you guys can see the audio now has come in my computer, and you can also see the video right here. So as you can see guys, it has recorded the meeting very well, and there is the audio. So just like that guys, you guys can be able to do it in your computer. And that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.